forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi people, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza. So today we are going to be showing you a brand new development, literally less than 5 minutes outside of the Ocho Rios area. Guys, what you can see on the screen now is the developer's promo video. So this is a computer generated image of what the development will look like. The development is called Pyramid Point. It is part of Pyramid Heights schemes. So like I said guys, on the screen you can see what the development looks like, or what it will look like once it's completed. These units are 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Okay, so that's just an idea of what the units look like and what the development will look like once it's completed. They look nice, don't they? Okay guys, so that is a computer generated image. We are going to be showing you what they really look like, okay? So up and close and personal. So this is the drive into Pyramid Point or Pyramid Heights. The road isn't too good, as you can see, but don't worry, this will be fixed. Of course, as you must appreciate, or as you can appreciate, you know, they have truckloads of loads of trucks coming every day bringing materials and stuff like that. So the road will be fixed, and it will be a gated community, as you can see from the security post. So guys, this is the drive on the way into Pyramid Point. So this is Pyramid Heights right now, and you can see some of the houses surrounding the area, well, in the area and surrounding Pyramid Point. And can you see that big hill at the top? Yeah, the development is all the way up that hill. This is the outside of the model unit. This is the 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Okay, you can see it comes with a parking port at the side. And that is the outside of the 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit. Okay, so as we go inside, you will see, again, like many of these new developments, it is an open plan living concept. Okay, so as you come in, you have the living area, and you have the dining area directly in front of you. Okay, living and dining directly in front of you. There's Mr. Outlaw, always making an appearance. So to the direct right hand side of the property, in the 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, is the 2nd bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. Okay, guys, it is quite a good size. These units do come with fans as standard. AC is not included, but the blinds that you can see there are included. Okay, if you would like AC in the unit, I think it's an additional cost of $2,500 for AC, but the fans are included, and so are the window blinds. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. There is a nice walk-in closet in here. What I like about the walk-in closet is that it's fitted. It's a fitted walk-in closet with overhead space, so lots of storage. And next to the closet, you have the ensuite bathroom. Okay. So you see, again, this unit is really modern. A lovely big vanity unit. Where the base basin is. Modern shower, big shower head. I love a big shower head. Yeah, modern fixtures and fittings again. The blinds in here do come as standard as well, so these are part of the package. Clean, modern lines. Yeah. Okay, so that is the first bedroom as you come into the property, which is classified as the guest bedroom. Okay. Okay, so back through into the dining area. And on the right hand side, after the guest bedroom, is the powder room. Again, really modern. The theme is similar, running right through the house with the style, with the tiles, the vanity units and the toilets, as you can see. But I really like a room with a powder. I like a house, with a powder room, because it just means that when you have guests, they don't need to come into your room to use the bathroom. They've got their own separate, bathroom they can use. So tucked away on the right hand side is the kitchen. You've got like a bar area here. You can probably put some bar stools in front of that, and you can use it as a little dining area. Guys, these light fixtures that you see that I'm just showing you, they do come as part of the unit. So if you buy one of these properties, you do get the light fixtures as well. Okay. The appliances do not come with the unit, unfortunately, but there's lots of cupboard space. This is something that I don't see often. Right here is an extractor fan. You don't usually see these in the new developments, but this one does come with extractor fan. So when you're cooking, it gets rid of all the oil and the grease smells and everything like that. Really modern fixtures, again, on the double sink. Like I said, the blinds do come as standard. Lots of cupboard space, overhead as well. So a good sized kitchen. For a 2-bedroom, it's a good sized kitchen. Okay, so down the hallway to the left is the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom. So that's the master bathroom, that's the ensuite. And here you have a double face basin, big vanity unit. Again, modern fixtures here. There is no standalone shower in the master bedroom, so it is a shower over a bath. Okay, and again, the blinds that you see there do come with this unit as well. Okay. So let's have a look at the master bedroom. This is a big bed. So just to give you an idea of the space, again, the fans do come as standard. The AC does not. But it's a good space, guys. It's not the biggest bedroom. But again, it is a 2-bedroom house, so it is a good space. And again, sorry it's a bit dark, guys, but there you can see the closet, okay, with built-in cupboards as well. So plenty of storage there too. So that is the second bedroom, or the master bedroom. Okay, as you come out, at the very end of the property, there's the door that leads to the garden area, and I'll be showing you that in a short while. At the very end of the property on the right hand side is the washroom. I think this is my favorite room. Yeah, it's a really good space. So you've got ample space for washer and dryer. You've got these little features at the top here. You can put stuff up there, extra storage. It's like a mini, it's like a mini kitchen. It's got a sink and lots of cupboard space to store things as well. I really like this room. I think it's a good space. I probably want to turn it into my office, but it's the washroom. So yeah. Okay. That fixture that you see there, guys, that does come with the property also. So every light fixture that you see and fans does come as standard. So guys, this is at the front of the property, entering the side of the property, and to take you around to the back garden. So it is gated, which is nice. I think it's a decent size. It's a good size. Back garden, not too much maintenance. So it'll be low maintenance. You can probably plant some trees around here. Maybe put a nice table and chairs out here. Yeah, when the weather's nice. And it just goes round in a U shape. Back round to the front of the property there. Okay. So it's a nice space. It's a good size space. And there you go, guys. That's the front of the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit. Okay, this is the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom unit, which is slightly bigger in size. Again, the format is the same. You come in, it's an open plan living concept. So you have the living area. Blinds come as standard. You can see a door there, guys, that the 2-bedroom unit doesn't have, and that's an extra door that leads you outside to the side of the property. Okay, so very similar in style to the 2-bedroom unit. This time though, guys, the master bedroom is at the very front of the property. So in the 2-bedroom unit, the master bedroom was at the back of the property. In the 3-bedroom unit, the master bedroom is at the front of the property. Okay, you see big bed in there just to give you a size. That's a king size bed. So I think a decent space. Guys, I'm going to be honest, these are not the biggest of properties, but the space is fairly adequate, you know, especially if you have a smaller family. Again, you have the built-in closet, the built-in unit, which is nice. Again. And of course, next door you have the ensuite bathroom. Unlike the master bedroom in the 2-bedroom unit, the bathroom in the 3-bedroom unit, master bathroom, has a stand-alone shower. Okay, so there's no bath in this master bedroom, but it's nice all the same. His and her sinks. Okay, it is a great space in here also. Okay, as we come back out of the master bedroom on the right hand side, you can see the light fixtures and fittings, which also come as standard in the 3-bedroom. Kitchen here is very similar to the one in the 2-bedroom. I will say it's a little bit bigger. I think it's a little bigger, the kitchen, just a touch bigger. Again, lots of cupboard space. The sales rep here was just showing me some of the features of the cupboards. So they are those slow closing cupboards. Yeah, slow closing doors, as you can see, which is nice. So we don't need to be walking around slamming doors in kitchens. Again, extractor fan. Blinds are standard. And of course, very modern sink. Okay, down the hallway, the setup here is a little bit different than in the 2-bedroom unit. So we have the powder room a little bit further down in this unit as opposed to the 2-bedroom unit. Again, same style, same theme throughout the property. And powder room. You can see me there again. And then we're into the 2nd bedroom, okay? Again, guys, it is a decent size. Like I said, it's not that these are not the biggest of houses. The new developments, you know, nowadays do not come big, but it's a decent size. Fan comes as standard with this room. The difference with this room, as opposed to the 2-bedroom unit, is that there is no walk-in closet. These are built-in closets. But as you can see, guys, they are big. And again, with that overhead space, there's lots of space, lots of storage space. Okay, ensuite for the 2nd bedroom. No bath in this one again, but you do have, of course, a nice big standalone shower. Okay, and onto the third bedroom, which is on the left-hand side. Again, similar size to the bedroom, to the second bedroom that we've just seen. Similar layout, similar setup. And again, this third bedroom also does come with fitted closet rather than a walk-in closet. Okay, and you've got your bathroom. The third bedroom in this property does come with a bath. Okay, with a bath. So this is the only bathroom that does have a bathtub and shower over the bath as well. Modern fittings. Like I said, the blinds on both of these units come as standard. So that is the third bedroom. Okay, at the end of the hall we have the washroom. I feel like this washroom is a little bit smaller than the washroom in the 2-bedroom unit, but of course it's ample size all the same. And again, you do have lots of storage space in this washroom as well, but it is a little bit smaller than the washroom in the 2-bedroom units. And of course you've got your door leading to outside. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the front of this, the front of the property. So we're standing at the front of the property now, and just to show you the work that's been done and what the development is beginning to look like. So it's starting to take shape. Some of the units have been completed, but there is work to be done on the inside. Okay. Directly outside of the development, directly outside. And I just wanted to show you some of the views. So you do get a really good view up here. The day that we went to visit this development, it was raining and it was a bit gloomy. So the views were not very clear, but just to give you an idea of some of the views from here in Pyramid Point. Okay. This house that's coming up on the left is for sale. I just wanted to show you guys. So this house is the first house directly outside of Pyramid Point development. It's for sale. It's a big house. So if you're interested, then, you know, get in touch with the realtors. There's a for sale sign, and that's the house for sale. So guys, I'm giving them free promotion, you know, free marketing. Okay, so guys, this was on the drive back out of the development. So this is in Pyramid Heights now. And we just wanted to show you what the area looked like, okay?
one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.